Okay, the question is this one, okay? Few terms of the sequence are given as follow. That is -2, 0, 4, 10. Which of the following can be a fifth term? A like 14, B 16, C 18, D 20. So, okay, the first step is what kind of sequence is it? Is it linear sequence or is it quadratic sequence or is it cubic sequence? Based on the difference that exists between the two consecutive terms, okay? ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር common difference 0 minus minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 0 is that is 4, and 10 minus 4 is that is 6. It means the sequence is not linear sequence. Linear sequence ቢሆን ኖሮ first difference constant ነው የሚሆነው. Let's continue. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 6 minus 4 is 2. ሁለተኛው ላይ ነው common difference ያገኘ ነው. When the second difference is constant, so the sequence is quadratic sequence ይባላል, and the general form of the quadratic sequence is Tn is equal to an square plus bn plus c where a is different from 0. እንዴት እንደምንሰራ እንግዲህ ፕሩፍን ባለፈው ቪዲዮ ላይ አይተናል። እሱን ቼክ ማድረግ እንችላለን። where okay እዚህ ጋር where a plus b plus c is equal to the first term, okay, first term, and 3a plus b is equal to the first difference, and 2a is equal to the second difference. የኛውን ፎርሙላ ፕሩፍ አድርገናል። እሱን ቼክ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። so from this one, okay, 2a is equal to second difference ስንት ነው? 2 ነው። that is 2. this implies a ስንት እናገኛለን? 1 እናገኛለን። 3a plus b is equal to the first difference. the first difference እቺን ነው የምንወስደው። okay, እቺን ፓርት እቺን ኦርደር ነው እንደዚህ የምንወስደው, which is 2. 3 times 1 plus b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 ይሆናል. and a plus b plus c is equal to the first term. The first term is minus 2. So a is 1, b is minus 1, plus c is equal to minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, then c is equal to minus 2. So the general form of this quadratic sequence is Tn is equal to an square, where a is 1, that is n square, plus bn. b is minus 1, that is minus n, plus c is minus 2. ጀነራል ፎርሙ ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። አሁን t1 ስንት ነው? minus 2 ነው። ቼክ እናድርግ እስቲ። t1 is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. t2 ብንወስደው 2 is equal to that is 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 2. 4 minus 2 minus 2 is 0. So this one the nth form of this quadratic sequence. t10 ብንባል t20 t30 ብንባል will apply this one. So we are asked to find the fifth term, okay? t5 ነው የተባልነው እንግዲህ አሁን t5 or the fifth term of the given quadratic sequence is 5 square minus 5 minus 2. This is the same with 5 square is 25 minus 5 minus 2. This is the same with 25 minus 5 is 20, 20 minus 2 is 80 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So for that reason the answer is C ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The answer is C ይሆናል። ኦኬ እስቲ ሁለተኛ ጥያቄ ነው። Question number 2, okay? For the arithmetic sequence with A3 or the third term, question number 2, A3 is equal to 5 and A5 is equal to 10. Which of the following is the sum of the first 20 terms? That is, we are asked to find S20 or the sum of the first 20 terms. A 475, B 495, C 570, D 900 50. So based on the given information, okay, based on the given point, the third term is 5 and the fifth term is 10. So for the formula that we use for finding the nth term is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This one is the formula that we use for finding the nth terms of arithmetic sequence. So a3 is equal to 5. a3 means a3 is equal to 5. a3 means a1 plus 2d is equal to 5. First one. a5 again. a5 is equal to 10. a5 means a1 plus 4d is equal to 10. So on the second one. So from this one, okay, it's possible to use either substitution method or elimination method for finding the values of a1 and the common difference that exists between the given consecutive terms. So elimination ወይም ደግሞ addition method ብንጠቀም subtract ብናደርግ a1 minus a1 is 0, 2d minus 4d is minus 2d is equal to 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Both sides divided by minus 2 by minus 2. This implies that is minus 2 minus 2. So one is cancelled. This implies d is equal to 5 over 2 እናገኛለን። So the first term ለማግኘት ወይ እዚህ ጋር መክተት ነው። That is a1 is equal to 5 minus 2d from equation 1. This is equal to 5 minus 2d is 5 over 2. This implies this one is cancelled. 5 minus 5 is 0. So the first term is a1 is equal to 0. So a1 0, no? The common difference is 5 over 2. We are asked to find S20. So S20 to find the nth term, the sum of the nth Sn. ብንጠየቅ ምንድነው የምናደርገው? n over 2 into a1 plus an, or this is the same with n over 2 into a1 plus an is a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is the same with n over 2 into a1 plus a1 is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So the question that we are asked is S20, or the sum of the first 20 terms. That is S20 is equal to, let's apply this one. 20 over 2 into 2a1. a1 is 0 plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. D is 5 over 2. Okay. So S20 is equal to 20 over 2 is 10 into 2 times 0 is 0 itself. 19 times 15 over 2, that is 19 times 50, 5 over 2. So let's multiply. 19 times 5 is 19 times 5 is 45. This I draw 4. 5 times 1 is 5 times 4 plus 4 is 95. So this is the same with 10 into 95 over 2. So this is the same with by 2, 1, by 2, 5. So this is equal to 95 times 5. That is 95 times 5 is 25. I do have 2. 5 times 9 is 45 times 2 is 9. 5 times 5 is 25. I do have 2. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2 is 47. So S20 is equal to 475 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። For that reason the answer is A ይሆናል ማለት ነው።